Forecast.
You're watching Markets for You, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Tuesday after a fall in general expectations about how soon the Fed would scale back accommodation. The greenback ended the day at 1.3304 to the euro and 97.73 to the yen. Today's data includes consumer credit, which is expected to fall by 15 billion from 19.6 billion previously, and commentary from Fed's Plosa and PN Alto. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Tuesday after data showed a rise in German factory orders of 3.8% in June and 4.3% year-on-year, helping to lift the outlook for the whole region. The single currency ended the day at 1.3304 to the dollar and 130.03 to the yen. Today's data includes German industrial production, which is expected to ease by minus 0.3% on an annualized basis and to rise 0.3% month-on-month in June. British pound. The pound weakened on Tuesday despite positive data showing a rise in industrial and manufacturing production after investors scaled back their exposure to sterling ahead of the key Bank of England inflation report today. Sterling ended the day at 1.5347 to the dollar and 0.8667 to the euro. Today's data includes the aforementioned Bank of England report, which will contain details of how the bank intends to use forward guidance as a policy tool in the future. Japanese yen. The yen strengthened on Tuesday after expectations receded that the Federal Reserve would soon taper asset purchases, weakening stocks and supporting the rise in the yen. The yen ended the day at 97.73 to the dollar and 149.98 to the pound. Today's data includes the trade balance, which is expected to show the trade deficit narrow to minus 128.7 billion in June, and data on bank lending, which is expected to remain unchanged at 1.9%. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.3265 with targets at 1.3345 and 1.338. The downside breakout of 1.3265, which will call for a slide towards 1.323 and 1.3195. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.5315 with 1.539 and 1.5415 as next targets. The downside penetration of 1.5315, which will call for a slide towards 1.526 and 1.522. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 97.8 with 96.75 and 96.2 in sight. The upside penetration of 97.8, which will call for a rebound towards 98.15 and 98.6. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.